What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if you guys hear any noises, there's a thunderstorm outside, but let's get right into the video. So today we're going to be unboxing this Toyota Soarer, and the cool part about this is I just saw one of these in real life right now, and I'm unboxing this because of a request from one of my subscribers, and I will be taking more requests in the future for different cars to unbox and do a video on. And this set includes the Sylvia, which I've already unboxed. If you want to check it out, it'll be top right hand of the screen. It'll be over there. It also includes this BMW, which I have from a previous Fast and Furious set. It includes this Ford Mustang, which I did get half off. I got it for like $3 because it is damaged. I'll be unboxing this soon. It came with this Ford Gran Torino Sport, which I might unbox. Not sure yet. I probably will, because we want the whole set here. And then what we're going to be unboxing today. So let's get right into it. I don't like how the new boxes, they're cutting it in this way, how there's a little hole in it here, because I usually just pull the whole thing around here, but whatever. All right, a nice clean open there. And here is the car. Right here. Looks very, very cool. Personally, my favorite aspect of this car is the back. I think that the taillights look awesome. Just from this angle, it looks so cool. The wheels are awesome with 6 spokes with those chrome outer portions. And then it has a pretty cool front. I'm not a huge fan of the front, but it definitely doesn't look bad. This is one really cool set. Fast and Furious set, and this is one of the cooler cars in the set. So I will throw it on the turntable, and then I'll cut to a small higher detail section. All right, here's a little bit of a closer look at this car right here. Let's get it focused. All right. Really awesome. It's a nice gloss black chassis. And actually the car in real life that I saw today was the Lexus, which is basically the exact same thing as this car. There's minor differences, but it is the same thing as the Toyota Soarer. I do hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below and I'll answer them. Keep collecting, and I will see you in the next one.